welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today's video is all about, okay, these luscious romantic waves by the company Hairvivi. I would love to thank Hairvivi so much for sending me this gorgeous, okay, unit and for sponsoring today's video. Today's video is all about their new True-scalp tape install, you all. Look at this part. Look at this part. That's all that I need to say. So if you're interested to hear about their new True-scalp tape technology, please stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so let's get into the specs of this wig now and take, our band off and see what we have. Wow, you all, just look at this melt, you all. I know sometimes I say that, my wigs be looking like scalp, but this one right here, darling, baby. This looks like it is coming right out of my own skin, scalp, hairline. Wow. Absolutely flawless, okay? Hairvivi and their brand is definitely the definition of luxury, okay? You are getting the full-on package, full deal right here, okay? Their hair and their units not only come pre-plucked, but they also come pre-bleached, you all. And I'm sure you can see how, I'm sure you can see why. Also, their cap construction comes a 13 by 6. So you get the deep space for parting, either a side part or down the middle. The possibilities and the options are endless with the 6-inch parting, so I absolutely love that about Hairvivi as well. And speaking about the parts and their lace, look how good their new True-scalp lace tape looks, you all. This is like so flawless and so effortless. Like, this looks just like skin, okay? You don't see any of the grids and all that stuff from, you know, the lace. This looks like the true deal right here, using their new lace tape, okay? True-scalp is definitely a great name for this product because this literally looks like my scalp. Wow, I don't need any foundation. I don't need to put any makeup in the parting or in the lace. This is it, it's done for you. And as you all saw during the demonstration, I just cut the tape in half and I used that to outline my parting. And I started the tape just a little bit behind the hairline. They have like a line of demarcation of kind of like where to start. You'll see that during the demo, and that's exactly what I did, and I love it, you all. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. So just look at the curl job on this hair, you all. No matter how many times I have been running my hands through this hair since taking it out of the package, you all, the curls just stay in its formation every single time, and I just feel so glamorous, okay, darling? Like, wow. Just look at this, like, just look at this. This unit is 18 inches long. It is 160% medium density, 100% glueless. As you all saw, I just used a little bit of hairspray along the hairline and at my temples to adhere down the unit. Love that, okay? No one wants to deal with glue on their wig all the time, so get you a glueless wig, okay, honey? So yes, y'all, that completes today's hair install video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I would love to thank Hairvivi so much for sending me this gorgeous, okay, romantic wave unit and for sponsoring today's video. I'll be sure to leave this direct unit in the description box below at your fingertips for your convenience, as well as all the other products I used in today's install as well. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.